This is a quick review of the Blueberries tomato. It is a cherry type tomato, and as you can see, it's a red tomato with antho shoulders, and this plant is pretty prolific, not as prolific as some of my other cherry type tomatoes, but I have been harvesting a decent amount of them this season. This was a new variety for me this year of many, but let's take one inside and talk about the flavor. Inside, it's a pretty red tomato, and the flavor is tangy. It's very tangy. It feels pretty acidic, which is not really the flavor profile for me, but I bet if you had enough of these, they would make a nice sauce. For fresh eating though, I don't know if I would choose to snack on these raw, but that's just my flavor preference. I am more into sweet and fruity tomatoes. So would I grow this variety again? Maybe. I don't know that I'd grow it every year. I may skip it next year so I can try a few other varieties and then maybe circle back to it. But if you like a tangy tomato, give this one a try.